Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to learn about Python programming using simple programs. Initially we'll start with a program to add two numbers using plus operator and without plus operator. So in Python program we don't need to declare the variables. It automatically takes the variable as string. So here I'm like declaring I'm using the variable a, and as I said it will automatically take a as string, but we require int, so I use int input of enter a. The input keyword will display this in our output screen, where we'll take input for the variable a. Similarly, b is a variable of type integer, where we are taking b as input, and finally we'll add c. As I said, c will be initialized with a plus b. We don't need to declare any of these variable, so automatically it will add a and b. A and b are in integer type, so our integer value will be assigned to c. So now let's run our program and check what's the output, how it works. Let me run it. Okay, now we are in our output page. As I mentioned, input enter a. So first we'll give a as 4, next b as 5. Output is 9. So Python is very simple. We don't use any semicolons in Python, but there is indentations. I will speak about that in our further programs. Okay, now without plus operator. So we just remove the plus operator and use a minus of minus b. So minus of minus b is plus. So uh, the value of a and b will be added and assigned to c. Let me run and show you if this program works or what. Okay, we are in the output screen. So first it's asking enter a. So I'll give a value for a and b, 6 and 4. 6 and 4 output is 10, so it's working properly. So we'll see another method without using the plus operator. So these formulas are same in every program. It is just that the program changes. See, we don't use any semicolons in Python. So now I'll use a formula called a star a minus b star b, the whole divided by a minus b. You people can take a screenshot for your further references. So I'll just assume a value of a to be 8 and b to be 9. So while running the program, I'll show you if this works or what. So 8 into 8 is 64, minus 9 into 9 is 81. So 64 minus 81 is minus 17, divided by 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So it's minus 17 by minus 1, minus minus gets cancelled. 17 by 1, the output should be 17. So let's see if this works or what. So I was given the input as 8 and 9, output should be 17. So it's working fine. Okay, I'll show you the same program by using if operator, and when I deal about if in detail, I'll let you know how if works. Okay, let me go back to my program screen. And if you people have any doubts, you can leave a comment. I shall try to help you all. So okay, I'll use a if operator. If you remember, I had said in Python there are indentations, and it comes while using if, while, for. So we don't use any brackets also. So here if a equal to b means it will check if a and b are equal. So here we use semicolons. So whatever comes inside semicolons, indentation means it's not be in the same line. As you can see, it's in the different line. Like I've left some space. So anything in this line will be under if. So let me put this c in if. So here if a and b are same, it will just multiply, otherwise it will use our old formula. Let me run and show you. So it's the same thing. If I give a and b as same, it will just multiply it. Otherwise, it will be same as the above one, as the 8 and 9 example. So guys, in my further videos, I'll show you some other programs also. This is just starting, so we'll start from basic so that it is easy to understand. If you people have any doubt, you can leave a comment. I'll just make a video explaining all your doubts.